Hi everyone! In this video, we show you Monopoly Go tips and tricks. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go app. Once you go into its app, tap on the friends icon from the bottom right corner. You can add friends from here and also unfriend them if you want to. If you invite a friend, you will get free dice, which can be used to win exciting prizes. Get back to the home page and tap on the Go button. You can increase the dice from here. Choose to increase it to 2x, 3x, or max 10x according to your preference. Then, tap on Go to start playing the game, and you will win so many prizes on each roll. Now, tap to collect the prizes you win. After that, go into the build icon from the bottom bar. You can build different buildings and earn money and dice from here. You can also complete your daily tasks and claim the quick wins gifts. From here, you can purchase the dice if you want to. Then, tap on your profile icon and choose the daily treats option from here. And you can win daily difference treats from here. Now, if you complete the album, win the existing prizes. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.